In this video, we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra must-have camera accessories. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Samsung is gradually improving its ecosystem of products. After making a better effort with its Galaxy Book laptops over the past couple of years, the company is trying to improve the collection of accessories for its smartphones. The company has now unveiled new camera-related accessories for the Galaxy S23 series. Spotted by tipster Roland Quant, Samsung has unveiled camera grip stand and slim tripod stand for the Galaxy S23. Galaxy S23 gets camera grip stand and slim tripod stand accessories for camera enthusiasts and creators. The camera grip stand with remote is now listed on Samsung's website. It can be attached to the gadget case for the Galaxy S23 series. It comes with a mini tripod and a Bluetooth-based remote shutter. The accessory pack turns the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, or Galaxy S23 Ultra into a better camera system that's easier to handle. It offers a better grip when you hold it in your hand. You can also place the phone at various angles using the tripod and capture images from a distance. It can be great for capturing images in the astrophoto mode or videos in the astro hyperlapse mode. The slim tripod stand for the Galaxy S23 series also works with the gadget case. You can make the phone stand in landscape or portrait modes. It can be used while using the camera, video calling, or even watching videos. The slim tripod stand folds into a compact device, so it is much easier to carry with the phone. It is priced at £34 in the UK. Samsung hasn't unveiled the pricing of the camera grip stand yet. Right now, they are listed on the company's website, meant for the UK market, but Samsung could bring these accessories to other countries in the near future. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts an exceptional camera system, and to truly unlock its full potential, incorporating must-have camera accessories is essential. These accessories not only enhance the capabilities of the phone's camera, but also provide creative opportunities for photographers and videographers. Tripods and stabilizers offer stability, ensuring steady shots even in challenging environments. They enable users to capture professional quality content without worrying about shaky footage. Additionally, external lenses expand the versatility of the camera by offering different perspectives, such as wide-angle or macro shots. For videographers, a smartphone gimbal is indispensable. It guarantees smooth and cinematic video footage by stabilizing movements and eliminating jerky motions. Wireless shutter remotes come in handy for capturing group photos or selfies without the limitations of arm's reach. When it comes to audio, an external microphone is crucial for high-quality sound recording. It minimizes background noise and ensures clear audio, especially for vlogging or video narration. Protective phone cases are equally important, safeguarding the device during photo shoots while allowing easy access to camera functions. Editing apps and software refine captured content, adding finishing touches to photos and videos. These tools offer a wide range of creative options, enhancing color, contrast, and effects. 1. Tripods and stabilizers. First up, we have tripods and stabilizers. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera capabilities are outstanding, but even the steadiest hands can benefit from a stable platform. Investing in a quality tripod or stabilizer will help you capture those steady, cinematic shots without any shaky cam woes. Look for options that are portable and versatile, ensuring you can adapt to different shooting situations. 2. External lenses. Host. Next on our list is external lenses. While the S23 Ultra already features a fantastic array of lenses, adding external lenses can open up new creative possibilities. Wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lenses can provide unique perspectives and allow you to experiment with different styles of photography. Just make sure to choose high-quality lenses that are compatible with your device. 3. Smartphone gimbal. If you're into vlogging or capturing dynamic video content, a smartphone gimbal is a game changer. These devices provide smooth, professional-looking footage by stabilizing your phone's movements. Whether you're walking, panning, or even doing action shots, a gimbal ensures your footage remains buttery smooth. 4. Wireless shutter remote. Have you ever struggled with trying to take a group photo or selfie without leaving someone out of the frame? A wireless shutter remote is the solution. With this accessory, you can trigger the camera shutter remotely, giving you the freedom to compose and capture shots without being tied to your phone. 5. External microphone. High-quality video deserves high-quality audio. If you're into creating videos or vlogs, an external microphone is a must-have accessory. It significantly improves audio clarity and reduces background noise, ensuring your audience can hear you loud and clear, even in noisy environments. 6. Protective phone case. Let's not forget about protection. A rugged and reliable phone case is essential to keep your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra safe during your photography adventures. Opt for a case that offers shock absorption and camera lens protection without hindering your access to the device's camera functions. 7. Editing software. Last but not least, the editing process. To truly make your photos and videos stand out, having a solid set of editing apps and software is crucial. There are plenty of options available that offer a range of tools for color correction, filters, special effects, and more. Experiment with different apps to find the ones that align with your creative vision. 8. The slim tripod stand and the camera grip stand. Samsung has introduced a pair of camera accessories designed to work with the Galaxy S23 series modular gadget case. Spotted by WinFuture's Roland Quant, the two phone mounts, the slim tripod stand, and the camera grip stand listed on a number of Samsung's online stores provide flexible options for photography, video calling, and positioning the phone hands-free. Both accessories connect to the S23 series gadget case, replacing its default pop socket-like kickstand grip attachment. The slim tripod is an adjustable phone stand that provides flexible options for positioning the device in both landscape and portrait orientations, featuring collapsible tripod legs that can be folded flat against the accessory when not in use. When the legs are flattened and not folded away, the mount can be used as a one-handed grip for shooting video. The slim tripod is available in silver and is currently listed on the UK Samsung store for £34, around $41. And there you have it, folks, our roundup of must-have camera accessories for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. With these tools in your kit, you'll be equipped to capture stunning shots and create impressive content that will amaze your audience. Remember, photography and videography are all about expressing your unique perspective, so don't hesitate to get creative and explore new techniques. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.